In April, ValleyBike, the region's bike share program, was scheduled to open for its season. That was delayed due to concerns over COVID-19 and possible spreading of the virus. Since then, ValleyBike has come up with a new plan and is open in most of the region with the exception of one major city. Connecting Point's Ross Lippman shows us the rollout of the new season for ValleyBike and the efforts they're undertaking to keep riders safe.
If you're looking for a way to beat the summer heat, getting around on a bike might help. In cities like Northampton, the two-wheeled form of transportation has become in demand over the last several months.
You can't buy a bike in the United States right now,
as the pandemic has limited choices for activities and ways to safely travel.
COVID-19 has affected every part of city operations, and as part of that work, we tried to figure out what was safe and what wasn't safe for ValleyBike.
Following months of planning, the area's local bike sharing program, ValleyBike, launched its 2020 season.
We decided with the participating communities of ValleyBike and the Pioneer Valley Planning Commission to not open on April 1st when we would have. And I think maybe that was a mistake because City Bike in New York didn't close, Blue Bikes in Boston didn't close, and what we learned was it was a great, safe alternative.
The primary concern was that COVID-19 could be transmitted when riders touch shared bikes. That's being addressed by staff cleaning each bike share kiosk in the Pioneer Valley.
We take great pride. We go to the stations, we clean the bikes, and then we try to leave them, in an orderly manner. We do have routes. We have two vehicles, and we spread the load. Some of us go south, Holyoke, South Hadley, Springfield, and then the others stay up in Amherst, Northampton, East Hampton.
There are 54 ValleyBike stations in the region, but it will not be serving Springfield this year after Mayor Dominic Sarno and Health and Human Services Commissioner Helen Calton Harris advised against it.
And obviously that's our largest city, and they've had the largest usage at times over the years.
For ValleyBike, the emphasis is not only on safety, but ease of access through its equity program.
We wanted to make sure that bike share was accessible, and so we did secure funding from the Community Foundation of Western Mass to offset the cost of annual passes. So normally an annual pass costs $80. With the Access Pass, it's $10, but this year it's free.
The season for ValleyBike is also being rolled out gradually, limiting the number of bikes available to ride based on what phase the state is in for reopening and data on usage for the bike share system during its first month.
So for example, we're opening up at UMass, but UMass is mostly closed. There are only workers there. So we just don't know what the use will be. So we're following both the state's guidelines and what users tell us.
ValleyBike and its partners all say the strategic opening is designed to ensure the program can stay open and to not undermine the momentum they see in the future of bike use in the region and in the country.
Those of us who've been advocating walking and biking for our careers are celebrating this moment where we're thinking, oh my God, this is the chance to get what we've always been trying to do, to get bikes as on equal footing with cars. Because they're safe, convenient, and they're great for the environment, and they're good for your health.